Okay, there we go.
Awesome. Okay, did you pull up the quiz yet?
Yes. I actually did it. I like did the quiz. But I don't know if I got them all right, so.
Okay, we can go through them if you want.
Yeah, so we'll go through it together and see what happens.
Okay, let's see. Oh, dang it. I'm going to have to open SPSS. I forgot, and I closed it. It's going to take a long time. Okay. Perfect. So give the linear regression equation y equals 2.0. What is the y-intercept? Did you use SPSS, or are you using like the
So for this one,
Excel?
on the reading, it just like tells you. So the equation is y hat equals b naught. I think that's what that is, plus b1x. And b naught, like the b little 0, is the y-intercept. So it's 2.0.
Oh, got it. Okay.
Yeah. And then the next one, the slope is just the other number, so it's 1.5. These past 2 lessons have been like fairly easy. So I'm like, I'm scared that something really hard is coming, or like, I'm confused.
I know, because it's like the end of the semester, but at the same time you're like, wait, there has to be like a huge assignment or something. Well, I guess our group our group projects are big assignment, but at the same time I'm like,
Yeah.
I feel like the last couple weeks of the semester are like the hardest.
I know. I don't want to see what that test looks like though.
Oh, me either. I'm really scared for it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So if I give you a regression equation, what is predicted value?
So this one, you just plug in 16, I think.
And so, but you'd plug in 16 to, so 0.25 times 16 plus negative 3.0.
Yeah.
So is that just 1?
Wait, what did you do?
1?
I mean, what did you do for the
what did I do? Okay, so I did 16 times 0.25. 16 times 0.25. Got 4. And then you add negative 3.
Yeah.
So wouldn't you just subtract so you'd get 1?
So I got negative 7.
So
that's what it said on the calculator.
Okay, I'm using my phone. Let me grab my calculator. Hold on.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So how did you do it? Because I still got 1. Did you do it all together?
Okay, let me do it on my calculator. Maybe I did it wrong. So I just did 0.25 times 16 equals why? Oh, maybe I did a negative 16 before. This is so awkward. I was like, okay, yeah, it's definitely 1.
Negative, that would make sense, but I was like,
Okay. Yeah, no, it's definitely 1. You're right.
Okay. Perfect.
I'm so sorry.
No, you're good. Okay, for the next 7 questions, use the data map. Be sure to use the confidence data for the x1 term variable. Okay. So you already probably did that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, I'm pulling up my SPSS, so I'm kind of frozen for now, but
Okay.
it'll be fine in like 2 minutes once it pulls up.
Okay. So I think this one is just the hot dog shape.
Okay.
Just because
I can't even.
it's like it kind of all goes up in a line together, but
Okay.
it's not quite like scattered like a hamburger. So I'm pretty sure it's the hot dog shape.
So it's hot dog, hamburger. What's the last choice?
Banana.
Nana. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You okay? Are you sure? Mm-hmm.
I was gonna text Jessica and Jay back and say, well, yeah, because you took it. Jay probably took it already, so they're like,
Yeah, no, for real. He always takes them early.
no. Okay. So it's still frozen. So sorry, my computer's really old.
No, you're fine.
I'm hoping it like pushes through the semester though.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is so slow. Okay. And let's see. Hold up. So we just need to make a scatter plot, right?
Yeah.
Legacy, scatter, simple. Okay. The x-axis, what was that one again? The
X-axis is confidence, and Y-axis is score.
okay. So did you? Yeah, I'd probably say it's a hot dog because it starts from like down going up, so it's like
Mm-hmm.
positive, but it's just kind of yeah. Okay, sounds good.
Yeah. It looks a little scattered, but it kind of has a shape to it.
Yeah.
So for 7, um, it's A, I think, because it was a hot dog shape.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't hear what you said.
Okay. I think 7 is A, since it is a hot dog shape and it is like it kind of has a linear
Regression.
shape to it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and then number 8,
Uh huh.
it said
How many?
how many observations? I'm like, is that just asking how many things in SPSS they like
So
studied?
would
Or
that be like the 139 because that's how many like we got? Is that
I think
right?
so. That's what I put. I was like, that's a random question.
Yeah. The y-intercept.
So this is how where we have to do the analyze thing on SPSS.
Okay, pull it up. So is it the scroll down to the bottom of your list of data in SPSS? After the last row of data, type the value of x for which you want to predict the value of x is? No. So it's just
No, not
analyze
yet.
regression.
That one comes. This one is
So
where you go to analyze, regression,
and then
linear.
linear, right?
Uh-huh. and then just put the independent in and press OK.
So dependent is confidence rating mean, and then the independent is score.
Let me see. What did I put?
Or would it be score and gender?
Let's see. It's told us on here. So confidence is the X, so the independent, and then the dependent is score.
Independent is score, so that's right. And then the dependent would be.
The dependent is score, and the
yeah,
independent is confidence.
And we are looking for the y, right? Is that what the question asked? The y-intercept?
Yeah. So then it's the chart under coefficients, and it's the B one.
So would it be, let's see, constant or confidence rating mean?
Constant.
18.690. Is that what you got?
Yeah.
690. What is the slope? So that would be the 12.695.
Yeah, I think so.
0.695. Okay. When x is okay. So do we have to go?
Huh? You sure? You sure? Go get some sleep. Yes. Please. Let's go get some sleep, and I will make something. No. Yes. Let's go get some sleep. You don't even want it. I'll go get you some sleep. No. Just wait. Yes. You can ask me tomorrow for lunch. Kate, I will do it. Yes. Oh my gosh. You're so stubborn.
So for 11, would we just do so I'm trying to remember the equation is the B0 plus.
See, we would have to do the equation if we didn't have SPSS, but this is the one where you go to the bottom of the list and under the confidence rating mean, put 4. So on line 140.
So, and then do we have to go again and go to analyze and then do the regression and then lineal to pull
Yeah,
up?
so did you put the 4 at the bottom?
Yep. Yeah.
Yeah, so then you just do the analyze, regression, linear, and then you go to, on the right hand side it says save, and then you check mark under predicted values, it's the first one, unstandardized, and then just continue and OK.
Alright, so and then it's under So let's see. So which one would that be? Is it under residual statistics?
So, you don't even have to use like one of the charts that it gives you. What you do is you go back to the data page where you typed in the 4,
Mm-hmm.
and then you just take the bar at the bottom and go over, and one of the columns will
Oh
say
yeah.
pre-1.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So I was looking for the pre-1 on the like one of
Oh,
the
yeah.
boxes, and I was like, I don't see anything that says pre-1.
I know, that's what I did yesterday. I was like, okay. And then I finally figured it out.
69.469. 69.469. Okay. Confidence data resulted from students evaluating confidence for each student on a scale of 1 to 6. What is the maximum predicted value of 6 of y for these values of x? Okay, I don't even know how to do this one.
Okay, so for this, it's like too many words. But what I think you do is in that same column that you type 4,
Uh-huh.
under the 4, just put 6. Because that's the highest confidence rating that they could rate
Oh,
themselves.
we're so used to this. Okay, I was like, I thought it was like a totally separate question, and I was like,
Yeah,
I don't understand, but
I
okay.
know. It's so weird.
So 6, and then would we want to get the pre-1 again, or?
Yeah, so you just like go in um to the analyze regression linear, same thing.
Mm-hmm.
Um and then just go to save and make sure it's still checked. And
So
then
it came
just
up
continue
with
and
2,
okay.
right? Uh-huh.
And then it'll just come up with a pre-2.
Okay, that's what I thought. So 94.859.
Yeah.
How many explanatory methods are present in simple linear regression? How many?
This one and the next one I wasn't positive about, but in the textbook it said on number 4, like almost to the very bottom, it says introduction to multiple regression. And it
Mm-hmm.
says sometimes it's necessary to use more than one predictor variable, but that's in multiple regression.
So then I would probably just say 1, right?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
And then for how many response variables would we say that's what you just read? And it's I would say to use more than one. Could we say 2 or would we say more than 2? So it's tricky.
I don't know, because I'm like, well, if you have one independent variable,
Mm-hmm.
then how would we come up with more than one dependent variable? But I don't know if it's like
Yeah.
a trick question. I don't know the answer to this one.
Okay. So I think for 13 that's 1, and then 14 I can try and say 2, and then if you want to put more than 2,
Okay.
we'll see. Okay, a company says brand manufacturers put houses.
Okay. Good. Okay, and then 15. I think 15 is D, but
Their conference because it is being used to predict this is So the response variable would be the dependent, right?
yeah.
So that's not a. Yeah, I think that's right.
Okay.
Okay, we can submit.
Okay, are you gonna submit yours? I'll
Yeah,
submit
I
mine.
did. So it
Okay.
looks like we just missed 14. I missed 14 and 15.
Okay, let's see. Waiting, waiting. Oh, so we got 15 wrong?
Yep. So I do think it's the circumference though, but maybe it's B. But that's what I think. Because I don't think, yeah, because we're trying to figure out what the circumference is. Did you get 14 wrong? Wrong?
So 14 is 1.
So you got it wrong too. Okay.
Yeah.
That was a trick question then.
Yeah. Okay, so 15 would be, so it would be B.
I think so, just because I don't think the size would be the dependent.
Yeah. Okay, because it says, so, see, what I was confused by is because usually they give us the independent variable, which is X.
Uh-huh.
So then the dependent variable is what we're trying to find. So the company, they want to predict the size of the hat.
Oh, you're right.
Oh,
You're right. Okay, yeah, that is true.
okay. So the response variable, it would be A, right?
The size, yeah. Let me hold on. I'm not sure if it's A or C because I don't remember the. Yeah, A.
Okay.
And then
Okay, I
14.
I read that one wrong. Okay. So then it would just be A. Okay, okay.
Sweet.
What are you guys doing tonight? Do you have somewhere you have to be?
Yeah, so one of my coworkers who's also like in my ward, she teaches this like she teaches fitness classes
Uh-huh.
and she's been trying to get me to go for a really long time. And
Oh.
she's like teaching Zumba today and my sister-in-law who's like trying to get in shape cuz she just had a baby,
Uh-huh.
like trying to go and so I was like this is like the perfect opportunity. And I was going to go last week on Tuesday, like I promised her I would go, but I totally spaced out. Like we had a group meeting and like I just totally spaced out. So I was like, "Oh
Oh,
my
yeah.
god, like, dang it."
Okay, so you're gonna go tonight. That's good.
Yeah, I kind of go crazy if I don't do something active just because I am at work all day and I come home and do
Yeah.
homework. And last week is nice because I didn't work Thursday or Friday, and Wednesday night we played volleyball for like 2 hours, and it was like just super
Oh,
sweet.
that's fun.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's always nice to just like get away for a minute because I swear that's all that happens in my life is work and homework.
yeah, it sucks.
I'm like, I gotta go, like, get out of here.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Okay.
Point 469 94.879. Yeah, that's why I was like, well, whatever works for tonight, because I was like, I mean, I guess I don't have to go.
You're like, I have to go.
Well, I guess yeah, like I feel like I did have to go, but like it wasn't like super important to like say like everyone change your times because
Yeah,
and so that's why I was like, okay, so we got them all right this time.
we got them all. Okay. Perfect.
Perfect.
Sweet.
Awesome.
Okay, well, I'm gonna remember to go put this link.
Oh yeah, that's awesome.
Okay,
Sweet,
I'm
awesome.
gonna
Do
go
you
do
have
that now.
anything to do tonight, or did you just figure you can just meet earlier to get it over with?
Yeah, no, I just was like, nah, I can meet at 6. That's fine. Cause
Okay.
I have. It works better though, cause I have tithing settlement tonight,
Oh, got it.
like at like 7:40.
Yeah.
So I was like, I'd rather not be rushed. So that works for me
Yeah.
too. So that's good.
Yeah. Awesome. Alrighty
Yeah.
then. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.
You're welcome. Have fun. See ya.
You too. Bye.